A great design relies on high quality raw materials such as alloy resistor rods. All of our raw materials should meet international standards. Our raw materials such as inductors, capacitors or cooling fan. If any problem found by our inspectors, we definitely reject the raw materials. Components are arranged in separate high voltage and low voltage zones. High temperature resistant and flame retardant wiring duct are used, forming a closed loop like bead or square shape after installation. All power cable adopt UL standard 10269 extra flexible high voltage cables. Power cable terminals are crimped using a servo terminal crimping machine, producing standard hexagonal crimps with stable workmanship. After crimping, tensile and cross-section tests are performed. All cables are arranged and readable from left to right and top to bottom. Insulation treatment at bare terminal position is applied using double layer heat shrink turbine. All alloy resistor rods are fitted with spring washers and secured with thread locking sticking for anti-loosening. Temperature detection and over temperature protection are added to all areas with aging and heating generating components. All exposed and movable sections use flame blocking, high temperature resistance and wear resistant fabric tape instead of traditional spiral tape, extending wire harness service life, preventing scratches and potential leakage risks, and improving overall appearance. All communication cable used shielded silicone wires with the shielding layers grounded at one end. Communication cable and the power cable are routed and tied separately to avoid communication interference.